already did this, but I just wanted to do it again with you guys because I want to make sure that you know where these things are coming from. So everybody has the exact values somewhere in your notes? Okay, with your teammates, I want you to work on, do you see how this makes a triangle right here? That's a third, what kind of triangle is that? Okay, so I'm just going to take it out so that the circle doesn't throw us off. And do you know the exact values of that 30, 60, 90 triangle? Short side is what? Half. We just did that. The long side is what? Square root of 3 over 2. That was from geometry. You had to learn those in geometry for no particular reason. So it's asking you this thing, use the triangles generated to find exact values for the angles given. Also give the radian measure. So 30 degrees is how many radians? Anybody remember that one? It is pi over 6. How did you remember that? Good job. It is pi over 6. And I think that's probably the most important one. That and the pi over 4 one are very important. You'll see why later. And then this exact point, how far over did I have to go on that 30, 60, 90 triangle? How far over did I have to go? So what's x equal there? So let's move this back over. Oops, not that. Let's move this back over. Yeah, square root of 3 over 2. This is the square root of 3 over 2, whatever that equals, comma, what's the y value here? 1/2. That's an exact value. I want you guys to take a few minutes now to fill in the rest. So give the radians, then give the exact point, because then the main question of the day is right here. What is the slope of the radius of each of these? So what's the slope of this line, or how would we find it? The slope. 1/2. Okay, this is a 0.00. Yes, Michael? 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2. Perfect. 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. Anybody remember the rule about division when you have fractions? Good. Flip the second one. 1/2 times 2 over square root of 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times square root of 3. 2's cancel. 1 over the square root of 3. But that slope is also something very important. So do you guys remember when you're talking about this angle, the adjacent side in SOHCAHTOA is what? Sine or cosine? Cosine, yep. So cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. And what's 1/2 related to that 30-degree angle? Sine, good. So when Michael said 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2, what else was he saying? Sine over cosine. I've seen that before. I can't remember where. All right. So you and your teammates now do exactly what we just did for this point. I want you guys to do that for these two other blue points, the 45 and the 60. Okay?